Welcome back to the third episode of Suji's ABA Tips and Tricks. As I promised, today I'm going to talk about antecedent, behavior, and consequence, or ABC of the behavior. So, what is antecedent? Antecedent is the cause or the trigger of the behavior. I'm going to give you one example here of a kindergartner kid who is on spectrum and does not like new changes at all. He loves his class teacher, Mrs. Jones, and over the weekend he bought a new Spider-Man t-shirt and is looking forward for Monday to share about his t-shirt with the teacher. So when Monday morning when he goes to the classroom, he sees a different face because his teacher is not there and there is a substitute teacher. He immediately throws his backpack on the floor, stomps his feet, crosses his arms, and he says, "I hate Monday and I hate school." So what is antecedent or the cause of the behavior here? Pretty obvious that his favorite teacher, Mrs. Jones, is not there. And what is the behavior? The behavior is he throws his backpack on the floor, he stomps his feet, he crosses his arms, and he shouts, "I hate school, I hate Monday." And what is the consequence? Consequence is what happens immediately after the behavior or preceded by the behavior. So there could be different consequences. One consequence could be his substitute teacher redirects him to put his backpack on the hook and go back to the table, and she redirects him calmly. Another consequence could be that she explains a little bit more that, guess what, Mrs. Jones just called. She said she's not feeling good today. She has to go see the doctor. She's sorry about it. And she's going to be here on Wednesday or Thursday. Until then, she wants all of you to behave nicely. So when she comes back, she feels happy. After listening to this, kid may calm down and he can put his backpack on the hook and he goes back to his table and he can start working on the morning work. So in order to understand the behavior or the pattern of the behavior, it is very important to study or understand the ABC or the antecedent, behavior, and consequence of the behavior chain. I'm going to talk more in detail with more examples in my upcoming videos. Until then, please put your questions and comments and I would happily reply them for you. Also subscribe my channel. Until then, thank you, goodbye, namaste.